Hello everyone. Last lesson we have configured the new page. In this lesson we are going to add data in the object department. Click the shuffle button. Choose Application. Here in Application, we could see the business menu on the left arrow. Click the object department. Then we are able to see the list page on the right. And we could also filter the fields that need to be displayed on the list. Let's hover on the arrow there. Select Display Fields. Then we are able to edit them. The fields that need to be hidden are on the left, and the fields that need to be displayed on the right. Here we are going to add System fields. Check these fields and move them through the arrow left button. We could also reorder the displayed fields. Hover on the hamburger button, click it, and drag the field to your desired position. Then save. We are going to input information in the department. Click New. Enter CEO, and then save. New, enter CTO, and then save. Now we are able to create some departments under them. Firstly, let's create 3 departments under the CEO. Click New. Enter HR department. Choose the parent department, CEO. Click Save. And click New. Enter Marketing Department. Then click the parent department. We will find that the HR department is already under the CEO. Choose CEO again, then save. New, enter Finance Department. Click Parent Department, choose CEO, and then save. We have 5 records in application. What if we want to delete or edit data? Don't forget the buttons we introduced in the previous lesson. There are buttons disabled on the list page. Let's go to enable them. Switch to Apps Admin. Go to Object Manager. Click Department. Find Buttons. We need Edit and Delete buttons. The last 2 buttons are on the list page. Hover on the operation arrow and enable them. Okay, let's back to the application. When we hover on the department name cell, there will be an Edit pane. Click it and then edit it. Hover on any parent cell and click this pane. We are able to choose its parent. The full path is generated automatically, so it can't be edited. Hover on the operation arrow. We are able to delete the current record. Let's continue to add some departments under Finance and Marketing Department. New. Enter Market Research Team. Choose its parent, Marketing Department, then save. New. Enter Promotion Team. Choose Parent, Marketing Department, then save. New again. Enter Cashier Team. Choose its parent, Finance Department, save. New. Enter Audit Team. Choose the parent, Finance Department, save. Next, let's create department under CTO. Click New. Enter Technical Department. Choose Parent Department, CTO, and save. New. Enter the development team. Select parent, technical department, and save. Repeat these steps. We will use the same steps as above to complete the department information. Okay, our department data is completed now. In next lesson, we are going to create a new page for object goal. See you next time.